Happy McRib season, honey.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the McLean County Sheriff's Office. Decapitated bodies have been discovered along south of U.S. Route 51 between Bloomington and Hayworth. The suspect has yet not been identified, but is last seen as a Caucasian male, wearing a white shirt, blue jeans, brown hair, and has facial hair. The suspect is also known to be a hitchhiker. If you see the suspect, do not approach him, do not try to pick him up or apprehend him. Call 911 immediately if you see the suspect.